Hello everyone. In my previous video, I promised that in this season I will discuss real industrial VFD fault scenarios. Today I am not going to explain theory. Today I am going to take you inside real plant situation. These are not textbook example. These are practical scenarios that happen in factories. For each case, I will explain what happened, what the symptoms were, what mistake we made, how we diagnosed it, and what the final solution was. If you are serious about becoming a strong troubleshooting technician or engineer, okay, if you are serious about becoming a strong troubleshooting technician or engineer, this video will help you think differently. Troubleshooting is not about pressing reset. It is about thinking logically. So let us begin case study 1. So first, case study 1, overcurrent during acceleration. This happened in a cement plant and application example for conveyor belt. The problem is VFD was tripping with overcurrent fault every morning during startup, okay, but after resetting 2 or 3 times it will be run normally. Now think carefully, why only during morning, okay, why only tripping during morning? We observed something interesting. During night material will settle and become compact. So when motor started in morning, initial load was heavy. Acceleration time was set very short, only 3 seconds example for. So motor tried to reach speed quickly. Okay, current spike happened and drive trip. So what is solution? The solution is we increase acceleration time gradually. Okay, if you set 5 seconds, then it still trip, okay, but set 10 seconds, so better result. But finally at you set 15 seconds, becomes the startup become smooth, okay, no more tripping. Okay, so lesson is overcurrent is not always electrical fault. Sometimes load behavior changes over time. Case study 2, overvoltage during stopping. Example for application, large exhaust fan, okay, and problem is every time operator stop the motor, VFD trip on overvoltage. Okay, every time operator stop the motor and VFD trip on overvoltage. At the first, technician suspected input voltage fluctuation, okay, but we check supply and supply is stable. Then we observed deceleration time, okay. Then we observed deceleration time, it was set only 2 seconds and fan has a large interior, okay. When stopping quickly, motor act like generator, energy return to DC bus and voltage increase, drive trip, okay, and drive trip. So what is solution? So the solution is we increase the deceleration time to 3 to 20 seconds, okay. So problem solved immediately, okay, and later braking resistor was added for better control, okay. So in this lesson we stopping too fast can be more dangerous than starting fast, okay. Case study 3, earth fall due to cable damage. Again send that case study 3, earth fault due to cable damage, okay. Example for application, water pump in outdoor area. So what is problem? The problem is drive tripping randomly with earth fault. So motor insulation tested good, okay. After deeper inspection, we found the motor cable running through metal tray with sharp edge. Okay, over time vibration damaged the insulation. Okay, leakage current increasingly during humid condition. Drive detected earth fault. So solution is cable replace and properly clamp. Okay, the problem permanently solved. So the lesson is always inspect physical environment. Electrical fault may be mechanical damage. Okay. Case study 4. Repeated overheating due to panel design. Okay. Example for application: textile machine. Drive tripping after running 1 hour. The fault is over temperature. Technician kept the resetting, but real issue was poor ventilation. Panel had no cooling fan, dust accumulation high, ambient temperature is high. So solution is install cooling fan plus clean panel. Okay, simple solution: install cooling fan and plus clean panel. Okay, no further issue. Okay, and the lesson is cooling is part of system design. Case study 5. Wrong motor current setting causing motor burn. Okay, this is a very serious case. The motor burn after few months. Investigation show motor rated current was 18 ampere and drive setting was 13 ampere. Overload protection ineffective. Okay, motor continuously overloaded. Finally winding fail. Okay, so lesson is wrong parameter entry can remove protection completely. Case study 6. Phase loss at input. Drive tripping with input phase loss. Problem was loose MCC contactor in terminal. Under load, one phase drop intermittently. Okay, drive protected system. So lesson is loose connection can simulate a major fault. Case study 7. Parameter copy paste disaster. New technician copy parameter set from other machine, but that machine had lighter load. Okay, new machine was in heavy load, so acceleration time is too short. Repeated tripping start. So lesson is never copy parameter blindly. Okay. Case study 8. Under voltage from generator instability. Okay, during generator operation, drive trip randomly. Investigation show voltage dip during load changes. So solution is adjust voltage generator regulation. Okay, so lesson is power source stability matter. Okay, so point is complete. So now I give you structure method. Okay, when VFD trip, first step is read fault carefully. Second step is identify related system. Third is check mechanical side. Fourth is check parameter related. 5. Inspect wiring. Okay, and 6. Monitor behavior after change. Okay, never change multiple setting at once. Okay, so final troubleshooting is mindset. If you stay calm, so final conclusion is troubleshooting is mindset. If you stay calm, observe the pattern and think logically, VFD becomes predictable. Okay, do not fear electronic system, understand behavior and always protect the motor first. Okay, thank you. So if you like my video, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel I Become Engineer. Okay, and so I will be back for more case studies. So thank you everything. and I will be back with next video. Thank you very much.